Joyful Gesso is an ultra matte base paint. It is fabulous to use, obviously, as a gesso for backgrounds and preparing your artistic surfaces. It comes in a range of glorious colours, which if you're used to gesso, then you know it comes in white, black, maybe a buff sort of colour. Isn't it fantastic to see it in all of these bright, beautiful colours? A metallic gold gesso as well as the whites, greys, even a milky semi-opaque. The formula is created by Cosmic Shimmer, which is a division of Creative Expressions. This is part of my Head Start collection with Creative Expressions. And this paint is formulated and made in the UK. Look at the creaminess. I am using one of these skinny mini brushes to spread that paint out. I have put a little bit too much on the page there, but I just wanted to show you this glorious colour, and I'm preparing a vintage book to use as an art journal. This turns this vintage paper into now an acrylic surface that I can create on. And this game-changing formulation means that you can, of course, use it as a gesso, as a base paint, beautiful, velvety, creamy, but you can also blend the colours and use them as you would a normal acrylic paint. Now I want to walk you through each gorgeous colour. With the Euphoric Black, Ultra Matte, Dense Black, Oh My Gold. Yes, a gold gesso. This is inspired Indicolite. This is the colour of houses in France. That beautiful blued off grey is Delightful Denim, Midnight Indigo, Ecstasy Cyan. Here we have Blitheful Blue. Look at this gorgeous colour. Gleeful Green. Laughing Lemon. We've got Merry Melon here. Here we have Cheerful Cherry. This is Thrilling Pink, bright as you can get. This is Lovely Lavender. Skipper Beat Sienna, which is a beautiful peachy. This is Positive Peach. And I've got the Star Power ink glimmering away on here. This is High Kicks Caramel, craft paper in a bottle. This is Blissful Beige. It's almost going off into a greyish realm, but it's a very, very warm grey. Carefree Cream, wonderful for vintage paper, as are all of our neutral colours. Here we are going into our white and Cloud 9 grey, which is dead neutral. And if that's not enough colours in this first collection, you can mix them and make whatever lovely colour you would like. And as you've already seen, the Joyful Gessos work beautifully with all sorts of media, including the Gelly Arts Jane Davenport plate. So you can use these as a base like you would a normal gesso, or you can use them as your new favourite acrylic paint. You can find them and all of the other pieces of the Head Start collection at janedavenport.com and stockists of Creative Expressions around the world.